Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Today I'm headed to Bohemia because, well, I had this ad up and this guy answered. And so he actually owns a small engine repair shop over in Bohemia, Long Island. And he has this old Craftsman riding mower, and of course, what? That's right, no engine. But you know, it looked like it was in great shape, you know. Huge rear wheels. I could always use that, you know. So, you know what? I can't turn it down. It's free. On my way with Boba. About it. It looks like it's a straight shot right in there. I wouldn't worry about it too much. I got a couple of tractors that kind of look like this. Maybe I can take that. The one on your ad looks like it. But all the pulleys are all intact and all. I gotta send you a link so you can check out some of my videos, man. Yeah. If you have time. Oh yeah. So as you guys saw, I just loaded that puppy in there. Over here in Bohemia, this is complete small engine repair. And this is Bob. Bob is fantastic. He's one of the nicest guys I've met so far. This is his shop. He's got a lot of space. Look at the amount of equipment he has over here for sale. If you guys are ever in the Bohemia or surrounding Comac, Long Island areas, make sure you come and check out Complete Auto Small Engine Repair over here in Bohemia. He's an authorized Briggs & Stratton dealer, and he'll get your small engine equipment worked out. Lickety split. So while talking to Bob, he gave me his card and he led me into his office over here. Look at that! Have you guys seen a collection like this? This is completely outrageous, man. And check out these fire engine pedal cars. Bob, these look like they're completely restored.
No, just the way I bought them.
What are those, 8-track tapes?
Yeah.
I've got a few of those too.
Customers.
Oh, look at this.
Let me get out of the way.
Frank Fritz and Mike Wolf from American Pickers, especially Frank, would love those gas cans over there.
Oh yeah. I just restored that, Henry.
Whoa, check that out. It's a Castrol oil, what is that, gas pump?
No, oil.
Oil pump.
Yeah.
How about that? You restored this?
Yeah.
Where the hell did you find the original Castrol sticker?
eBay.
Yes.
Yeah, eBay.
Yes, you can find pretty much everything on eBay. That's fantastic, Bob. Hey guys, so I'm back. It's actually a garden tractor. It's an 18 horsepower Kohler V-twin. It's a horizontal shaft. Never had one of those. I don't have a horizontal shaft engine big enough for that either. Sure hope this thing doesn't run me over. Pretty big. The steering's all messed up, so wheels are turned a little bit like that. Lickety split, man. No problem. So here it is. That's a garden tractor, all right. Pretty nice, huh? You can tell it's a garden tractor. It's got the huge wheels in the back with the lug nut hubs. Great. No ignition switch. I need an ignition switch. Tranny feels good. Clicks in all gears. Feels solid. You know what I mean? You guys know what I mean. You know, crisp. Crisp shifts. No slag. Parking brake. Parking brake lever. Throttle. Throttle feels okay. Light switch. Okay, so the problem with this, that he didn't want to fix it, was because the steering sector's gone. See? The gear on the bottom stripped or something. I gotta go check it out. Here's the height adjustment lever for the mower deck. That seems to be locked in place or something, or seized. This is my first tractor with that's designed for horizontal, you know, horizontal shaft. Got some horizontal pulleys there too. Brake lever seems to work. Belts have been cut for the ease of removing the engine, I gather. Electrical harness over here. It's a fuse. I'm looking at this, you guys are looking at this as I'm looking at this for the first time. It's the height. 6-speed, 44-inch. It's a PTO, it's electronic, which I don't have. Alright, there you go. So, looking at that serial number, 86? What do you think? 86 sounds about right. Gas tanks in the back. I'm trying to get the tranny. If any of you guys can tell me a little bit more about this transmission, let me know. It's a hydrostatic, right? Got a little hitch ball in the back. I like it. Another project for me. I've never worked on a garden tractor with a horizontal shaft engine before. Pretty cool. So just as I've cleared out my garage, remember I had 4 or 5 lawn tractors that didn't have engines, and I cleared it all out because I got engines for them and sold some and kept some, and here I am again. Tractors without engines. Now I've got to find a horizontal one, and I need a nice strong engine for the Gt6000. Yep. Just like that, I filled up my garage again. Well, this was the right price. Free! That's right, free. Thanks again to Josh over at Griffin Lawn Service for the jacket. It's fantastic. I'm sweating, bro. If your company needs swag, check out Lanny at prologowear.com. Also, help me support the channel. Buy a sticker. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Follow my Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com.